Hi, today I want to show you how to automatically animate banners with the plugin that I've built. It's called Foldwrap Banner Generator. And here is a simple example of banner with 2 frames. Let's just select that frames and press import button in the plugin. And that's it. We in one click got completely animated banner. Now we can choose general, dynamic and animation style from light and gentle to more fast and dynamic ones. Then when we're happy with the result, we can export that banner as a native HTML5 zip bundle. It's very lightweight and efficient and ready to be published to major advertising networks like Google, etc. Another example, banner with 4 frames. Again, just select them and press import. It's works like magic. So I hope you will try my product and give me some feedback, so I will improve it and will be happy with the result.